Did you know? Let's talk heart health. We all know that taking care of our hearts is super important, right? But did you know that some delicious and surprisingly simple foods can make a world of difference? We're not talking about bland and boring diets here. We're talking about tasty treats that you can easily incorporate into your everyday life. That's right. Boosting your heart health doesn't have to mean sacrificing flavor. So if you're ready to discover the top 5 surprising foods that can help you on your journey to a healthier heart, stick around. Let's dive in. First up, we have a treat that's sure to make your taste buds happy: dark chocolate. This rich and indulgent delight is not just a guilty pleasure, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate is more than just a sweet treat, it's a health booster. Now, before you run off to devour a whole chocolate bar, remember moderation is key. Enjoying it in small amounts can be both satisfying and beneficial. Dark chocolate, specifically the kind with at least 70% cocoa, is packed with antioxidants called flavonoids. These are the compounds that give dark chocolate its superpowers. These powerful compounds work their magic by helping to lower blood pressure, improve blood flow, and prevent blood clots. It's like having a mini health boost in every bite. Think of flavonoids as tiny superheroes fighting off those harmful free radicals that can damage your cells and increase your risk of heart disease. They are constantly at work protecting your body. And who doesn't love a good superhero story? But that's not all. There's even more to love about dark chocolate. Dark chocolate can also boost your mood and give you that little energy lift we all need sometimes. It's like a natural pick-me-up that can brighten your day. So, the next time you need a treat, reach for a square or two of dark chocolate and indulge your way to a healthier heart. It's a delicious way to take care of yourself. Remember, a little bit of what you love can go a long way. Enjoy it mindfully and savor every bite. Next on our list are those little bursts of flavor we all know and love. Berries. These tiny fruits pack a powerful punch when it comes to heart health. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, you name it, they're all fantastic for your heart. Each type of berry brings its own unique set of benefits. These colorful gems are bursting with antioxidants, particularly a type called anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant hues. These antioxidants are crucial in protecting your heart. Anthocyanins are like little warriors, fighting off inflammation and oxidative stress, two major culprits behind heart disease. They help maintain the health of your blood vessels. But wait, there's more. Berries are also packed with fiber, which helps regulate cholesterol levels and keeps your heart happy. Fiber aids in digestion and promotes overall cardiovascular health. So whether you enjoy them fresh, frozen, or in a smoothie, make sure to include a variety of berries in your diet for a very good boost to your heart health. Your heart will thank you for it. Let's dive into the world of omega-3 fatty acids with our next heart-healthy hero fatty fish: salmon, mackerel, tuna, sardines. These swimmers are loaded with these essential fats that our bodies love. Omega-3s are like the superheroes of the heart, working tirelessly to lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, and decrease the risk of blood clots. They're also known to reduce inflammation and improve overall heart function. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week to reap their amazing benefits. Whether you grill them, bake them, or add them to salads, make sure to include these heart-healthy heroes in your diet. Next up, we have a crunchy and satisfying snack that's perfect for on-the-go nuts. Almonds, walnuts, pecans, pistachios. The options are endless, and they're all packed with heart-healthy goodness. Nuts are a great source of unsaturated fats, fiber, and vitamin E, all of which contribute to a healthy heart. They help lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and improve blood vessel function. But remember, portion control is key. A handful of nuts a day is all you need to reap their benefits without overdoing the calories. So next time you need a snack, grab a handful of nuts and munch your way to a healthier heart. Last but not least, we have a creamy, delicious fruit that's become a staple in many kitchens: avocado. This green gem is not only versatile, but also packed with nutrients that can significantly benefit your heart. This versatile fruit is not only delicious, but also a powerhouse of heart-healthy nutrients. From salads to smoothies, avocados can be incorporated into a variety of dishes, making it easy to enjoy its benefits. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, the same type of healthy fats found in olive oil. These fats are known to be beneficial for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. These fats help lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and improve overall heart health. But that's not all. Avocados also contain antioxidants that help protect your heart from damage. Avocados are also a good source of potassium, fiber, and folate, all of which contribute to a healthy heart. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, while fiber aids in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. So, whether you enjoy it on toast, in guacamole, or added to salads, make avocado a regular part of your diet and experience the creamy secret to a healthier heart. Its versatility and health benefits make it a must-have in your kitchen. So there you have it, folks. 5 surprising foods that can make a real difference in your heart health. Now you have the facts and the strategies. Remember, taking care of your heart doesn't have to be complicated or boring. By incorporating these delicious and nutritious foods into your diet, you can enjoy your meals while giving your heart the love it deserves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends and family. Let's start prioritizing our health today. Comment on how you will take charge of your health today. What changes will you make? Stay safe and stay healthy. Prevention is power.